Hello viewers, in case you are just joining us, thank you for always supporting me. You have been an amazing fans. Now let's look at this question. This question we are asked to find what? A specific heat capacity of what? Combustion. Heat of what? Combustion. Anytime you are asked heat of combustion, use this formula. Use this formula. Heat of combustion is equals to what? Heat release all over what? Number of moles. Now this is heat release all over what? Number of moles. And heat release here has its own parameter. Heat release is equals to, we have mass times specific heat capacity times change in what? Change in temperature. And now your mole is what? Your mole, number of mole is what? Mass all over what? Molar mass. If you get this formula, you are done with your calculation. Now specific you are going to look at your heat release. Now heat release Q is equals to, what is your mass? What is your mass? Mass is in grams. Remember, we have two mass here. This one is the mass of methane. Do you get that? And this one is the mass of what? Water. In what? In 40 degrees Celsius. So this one here will be of your what? Heat what? Heat release. Why this one is your of what? Of your moles. So heat release is equals to the mass of water is what? Is 100 times the specific heat capacity. Specific heat capacity of what? Water is what? 4.2 times the temperature. You don't have to convert temperature here, all right, unlike we normally convert in our gas law. Here you don't convert temperature. The temperature is given what? 40. So now your heat release is equals to what? If you multiply all this one, give you what? 16,800 joule. Do you get that? Heat release is measured in joule, but then the formula of heat of combustion, the unit is what? Joule, kilojoule per what? Per mole. Do you get that? And your N here is in mole. Why? Quantity here is in joule, but we need to, since the specific heat since the heat of combustion is kilojoule, we need to convert this this value into what? Into kilo. So we need to convert this one into what? Into kilojoule. How do we do that? Q is equals to what? 16,800 divided by what? 1,000. So K is equals to what? 16.8 kJ. So that we'll now have this one. Now going back to your number of mole, N is equals to, you have what? 0, look at 0.16 divided by the molar mass. Methane is what? Is written as what? CH4. Carbon is what? 12 plus hydrogen is 1 times 4. These 4 atoms is what? Is 4. So equals to what? 16. So divide this one will give you what? 16. Are you following? So number of mole is equals to what? Divide this one by this one will give you 0.01. Now your heat of combustion now will now be equals to what? Heat of combustion is equals to your heat release. Heat release, the value is what? 16.8 divided by your number of mole is what? 0.01. Heat of combustion now will now give you equals to what? If you divide this one by this one, give you 1,800. Oh, sorry. If you divide this one, will give you what? 1,600. 1,600 kJ per what? Per mole. This is how to calculate your what? Your heat of what? Combustion. If you are joining us for the first time, this is Ojemai YouTube channel. You can as well follow us on Facebook on Ojemai Online Chemistry. Please do well to stay tuned, because the next topic we are going to look at is what? Heat of what? Neutralization. We have already treated our heat of combustion. Our next topic will be what? Heat of what? Neutralization. Thank you. Bye bye.